Hi John, hope you're doing well. The work is kind of complete. Can you check and see if this is okay? I'm going to be, kind of. If there are any sheet that you feel that it has to be revamped more, or let me know. But I did keep most of it intact, like in terms of the yellow cell. I mean, in the sheet you can see that it's almost the same. We just made sure that the theme remains the same as well. And for the rent part, I, I added some data just so that you'll have a better view of the chart. So that's where we are. For the underwriting sheet, this is where we had like majority of the work. Now you can see that it has a good amount of revamping in here in terms of how it looks and everything. I did keep almost all the yellow bits, but do check in case I have overwritten. But I don't think so. So only this sheet. All the other sheets I'm 100% sure. Yeah, even this, but just so that that's your main product that you're selling. That's pretty much. Uh, so let's see. So that's here. This is a 5 year thing, and just to differentiate the color between the 5 year and the 10 year, I did keep the 10 year as such, just so that but only the headings I've kind of highlighted and all, like, so it's pretty much there. And yeah, so that's here. I think I didn't finish this one. I'll finish this part. So the unit renovation, the value add right here, and the equity returns part of it. Only I think a couple of sheets have disclaimer issues, which I will add. Fix it. Just two I saw. So most of it are intact. So that's where we are. Okay. Thank you very much and have a good day.